but bring it and your own way observe it. Do not become others. With this inspiring quote of Swami Chinmayananda. Let's begin with today's news. National news. Make Indian music mandatory in flights operated by Indian Airlines. ICCR musician to Jyotiraditya Scindia. Several musicians including Kaushal Inamdar, Anu Malik, Manjusha Patel Kulkarni and Malini Avasthi handed over the letter of proposal to the Civil Aviation Minister. Let's make it mandatory to play Indian music on flights operated by Indian Airlines as well as airports. Such a seemingly small step might go a long way in strengthening our pupils' emotional connect with the country's tradition, according to the Indian Council for Cultural Relations (ICCR) musicians. India gives 1 million COVID-19 vaccine doses to Myanmar. India on December 22nd gave 1 million doses of COVID-19 vaccine to Myanmar. For Region Secretary Harshvardhan Shringla handed over 1 million doses of Made in India vaccines to the representatives of the Myanmar Red Cross Society to support the people of Myanmar, including those along the India-Myanmar border. In their fight against COVID-19, announced the Indian Embassy in Myanmar. Science news. Meet baby Anglia, a well-preserved dinosaur embryo discovered inside fossil egg. From the rocks of Gansu in southern China, researchers have discovered a 72 to 66 million years dinosaur egg. The embryo, named baby Anglia, belongs to a toothless theropod dinosaur group called Oviraptorosaur. Oviraptorosaurus lived during the Cretaceous period 145 to 66 million years ago in Asia and North America. Launch of NASA's new space telescope delayed until Christmas Day. Lift of NASA's James Webb Space Telescope designed to peer further than ever into the universe has been delayed until Christmas Day at the earliest due to poor weather at the launch site on South America's northeastern coast, the space agency said on Tuesday. International news. Over 7 lakh flocked to Saudi Arabia top music festival. Record crowd of over 7 lakh revelers flocked to Saudi Arabia MDLP Beast Soundstorm Music Festival. Authorities said Monday at the end of the 4-day event in the oil-rich desert kingdom. Sports news. ISL. Kerala Blasters sweep aside Chennai to reach top 4 places. Kerala Blasters FC recorded an impressive second consecutive win in their 2021-22 Indian Super League campaign after defeating Chennai FC 3-0 on Wednesday. George Pereira's 9th minute gave KBFC the lead by scoring his third goal of the campaign period to Sahal Abdul Samad, 38, doubling the advantage before the half-time. Moving on to Vidyaya news. LKG admission 2022-23. Chinmaya Vidyalaya, the school with a difference, is now open for LKG admission for the academic year 2022-23. The Vidyalaya caters to not only academic knowledge but gives the little ones awareness of all important facts and work for their overall development. Kids are made aware and proud of our rich culture and traditions by celebrating festivals and important occasions. For registration, please visit our website www.chinmayatattamangalam.com. Christmas is not a time nor a season but a state of mind to cherish peace and goodwill. To be plenteous in mercy is to have the real. Chinmaya Vidyalaya Tattamangalam celebrated its first virtual Christmas celebration in a unique way with great fervor and enthusiasm. The boundless joy of celebrating this festival was quite evident on the faces of each child. Christmas was celebrated through a virtual platform. Activities like Christmas tree decoration with lamps, toys and flowers, card making, painting Christmas tree on drawing sheets were conducted for the students. Speeches were also delivered to mark the importance of the day. If the farmer is rich, then so is the nation. Kisan Divas. If you ate today, thank a farmer. It is well said that a farmer is a magician who produces money from the mud in order to pay tribute and give respect to our nation farmers. Kisan Divas was observed on 23rd December every year. The day was chosen to honor the birth anniversary of the 5th Prime Minister of India, Sri Chaudhry Charan Singh. Sri Chaudhry Charan Singh once said, "The true India resides in its villages." On this very special day dedicated for the farmers, our children have done activities like chart making and also have taken out not to waste food. Now moving on to special program. A good beginning makes a good difference. Yes, for that let me welcome Aniket of class 3rd.
Hariam, a blessed morning to everyone. I am Aniket of class 3rd with special program Awakening Indians to India, book by Chinmaya Yuva Kendra. Indian literature, Panchatantra. Panchatantra is the best collection of stories in the world, all of them with certain principles of ideology to be conveyed to the children. This masterpiece of Indian literature is presented as 5 books with the general objectives of awakening of intelligence in the young. The origin of Panchatantra goes back to the story of a king whose 3 sons were blockheads. The king approached Sage Vishnu Sharma, who transformed the princes into learned men in 6 months through thought-provoking stories. These stories we compiled into the Panchatantra. Puranas. The word Purana means ancient tales. The Puranas are 18 in number, which are didactic in character and sectarian in purpose. According to tradition, the purpose of Purana is the expansion of the teachings of the Vedas. An understanding of everyday life in ancient India, moral precepts and rules for good behavior are taught through interesting stories in the Puranas. They were very popular among the people. Upanishads. It is almost impossible to perceive and fully understand the ethos, spiritual and cultural lives of India without having an insight into the Vedas. Upanishads are part of Veda, which comes under the Jnana Khanda, interpretation of philosophy. Upanishads have a unique place in the development of Indian thought. The instruction is given in the form of a dialogue between the disciple and the teacher. They focus on the way of life, culture and manners, the origin of the universe, the human potential and every conceivable thoroughly related to man and his destiny. Indian literature is an ocean. Let us try to dive and try to pick a few shells to revive ourselves. Meet you all soon in the next session about Indian literature. Thank you.
That's really an incredible season on Incredible India, Awakening Indian to India. Thank you, Aniket. A successful man is one who lays a firm foundation with the bricks that others throw at him. With this quote of our Puja Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda, this is Sri Rashmi signing off. Stay safe.